Usama here once again. We were away for a while because we are busy working on Candy Club rhythm program. This activity is really easy. Something all of you must have tried once in your lifetime. But there's a slight change into it. We've added a couple of more ingredients into it. We'll make bubbles out of shampoo. So let's have a look at the material that we need and then let's start with the activity. So the material that we need: a baking tray. It has to be a shallow baking tray. It does not need to be deep. This one is like ½ inch deep. So it has to be shallow basically. Then we need shampoo. Any shampoo would work. If it's baby shampoo, that would do great, but if it's any other shampoo, make sure the quantity you take is like half of it, because baby shampoo is already diluted. These shampoos are not diluted, so you need to take like half of this. Glycerin, normal glycerin. Then you need unflavored gelatin. You need a funnel. I'm using funnel to blow the bubbles. You can use any other medium like a ring or something. A spatula. A cup of hot water, of course a cup and hot water, not boiling hot, it has to be just hot. And any toy or any stuff which can actually produce bubbles. I personally like this one because this is an Iron Man thing, so I love Iron Man. I'll start by adding glycerin to the hot water. I'll be taking 3 caps of glycerin into the hot water. Then I'll add this shampoo. This bottle is of 250 ml, so I'll take half of it, so approximately 130 ml into the cup. If you have a smaller bottle, of course you need to put the entire small bottle into it. Now I'll gradually use the spatula and gradually start mixing it. Now we'll add the gelatin into it, the entire dabba. We'll use the entire box into it. We'll mix it slowly and gently. We don't want this lather forming around because this is going to spoil our bubbles. We want the solution to be really smooth. Keep mixing it till all the lumps of this gelatin that you added are simply mixed into it. And the solution would be actually something sticky and thicker. Now we'll simply heat the solution a bit more for a couple of minutes in a microwave oven, and then our solution would be ready. So we are back. Ignore the decreased quantity because I dropped it some while coming back on the way. So now this is the mixture and it's heated now. What we'll do is we'll simply take the solution and we'll pour it into this shallow baking tray that we have. Now my table here is a bit tilted, so what I'll do is I'll just, because we need the solution to be balanced. Look at the table, it's actually moving, so I'll put my spatula under the baking tray so it kind of balances and we have a smooth layer of the solution that we made. And now let's try. Ooh. This is so cool and bouncy. Whoa. So this was about the science activity for today. Stay connected and we'll be bringing up more fun-filled activities for you. Stay tuned.